desert, I show you where I live. I teach you how to never give up or let it slip. I said life is for the living, and that is understood. Too plain to be forgotten, too much to just be good. So people just want gossip. They wanna sit around and laugh. They wanna gloat over children, and they want you to give up. They seek in you their weakness. Your strength they'll try to take. They'll put you on a pedestal and then take it all away. So why bother? Why bother at all? Why bother to rise, to shine, or to follow the call? So why bother? Why bother at all? Why bother to sit here and sing and try to bring this life to a better end, to a better beginning, to something that I find worth living for? That is the question, so hear me answer. I'm singing from the top of my heart, and then you want this, and you think you can take this, but it isn't yours, for it was never mine. So how could I give it if I don't have it? If it's there, I can't make use of it, but it always leaves me. It always deceives me. When I want it, it is always somewhere else. So I keep on looking, I keep on chasing. Sometimes I can find it in a painting. Sometimes it is art, and sometimes a hike. Sometimes it is love, and sometimes it is a crying child. I have helped so many, and then I helped myself, and still there are so many people that cry help. So help yourself, and then show how you helped yourself instead of talking about other people's findings. I am so impatient, yet I can learn patience. I can teach you that there are things worth fighting for. But if you cannot see it, then why even bother? I can see it, and that is why I move on. So I make a song. I sing to you, my love, who sparked my heart and nobody else. It is just for you, and I don't give a shit about the rest. Nobody will get my heart, for you already have it. Even before I met you, I felt you were waiting for me in the distance. And that is all. It's all I can say. And still I feel like it could be betrayed. So I stay safe. I keep to myself. I stay inside and I never listen to anyone else. For my heart is yearning. It is urging me on. My heart wants to express what we call love. But love needs passion. It's not red. Love isn't red. And love doesn't look like a heart shape, but love needs balance. Because love is life. Love is that which favors, right? To feed your child instead of your phone. Love is that which, turns on flight mode and says fuck it. I'll rather watch my child sleep until I can no longer stay awake than to waste away in my phone with people that literally couldn't care less about anything but themselves. So I care about living beings, about people who struggle to stay alive. So my art is for honest people, is for anyone that loves nature with all their might. So yes, I love the natural world. I love the feminine. I love the masculine. Right? So what is in between? It's the two sides that create life. It's the light and the darkness that shape the way we see the world. Many said it. For Ellen Watts it was contrast. It is you and your background. It is your background in you. For Terence McKenna, it was probably psychedelics. And for Ram Dass, it was an old man that let go. For Jordan Peterson, it is his precious knowledge. It is the books that he should have known are dead inside. So it is empty words. To some it is just intellect, but to me it is everything that I feel. It is certainly the moment It is an inspiration that I need to continue on my way. I've got an insane stride, but I also take my time. I focus on what is instead of acting like, I'm not an actor. I'm an emotional being. I react to the things that I am confronted with. And what I'm confronted with at the moment is confusion and insecurity. And my response to this is, bring those children to nature. Teach them how to be strong. Let them dance in the sunshine. And sigh for everything that seems wrong. And then take off your shoes, and then feel your weakness, and then feel how sensitive you have become from sitting on chairs, from all this seclusion, from a tribe that cuts itself apart. So yes, I am alone a lot, and I focused on family. I focused on a few individuals that I hold precious, and the rest can just, they can just bite it. I don't care. If you cannot stay alive, life will provide, my friend. If you are strong, otherwise, there's a lot of dust, right, to feed the trees. Right, crumble away, for I careth not, for I am time, right? I am the wind of change, and I shall clear away the weakness that you cling to.